In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the triangle chart pattern in TradingView Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the triangle pattern tools and how to start using them on your charts, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. It can be any symbol or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is loaded and visible, look towards the top area of the screen where you have all your main options and tools. The first thing you want to do is click on the option labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups a lot of its more advanced tools, including patterns and indicators. When you click on Technicals, it will open a panel or drop-down that gives you more detailed analysis tools. So give that a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. Inside that panel, you're going to see different categories. Here, you want to look specifically for the section called Patterns. Go ahead and click on Patterns. This tells TradingView that you're interested in tools that automatically highlight or help you draw specific formations on the chart, like triangles, head and shoulders, and other classic technical setups. Once you've clicked on Patterns, you'll see a list of different pattern types that TradingView Pro can show you. In that list, find and click on Triangle Patterns. Selecting this category will activate the triangle tools, allowing TradingView to either suggest triangle formations on your chart or give you easier access to the triangle drawing tools, depending on how your layout is configured. This is really useful for spotting consolidation zones and potential breakout areas without having to constantly redraw everything from scratch. After you've turned on triangle patterns, take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart and scroll through recent price action. You should start seeing triangle formations highlighted, or be able to quickly draw them using the tools now available. If nothing appears right away, try switching timeframes or symbols, because not every chart will have a clear triangle pattern at all times. Finally, if you're not yet on TradingView Pro and want to unlock these pattern features and more advanced tools, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along exactly as I've shown, with the same set of features available on your own charts.